Welcome back, friends, to another video. So I have been on YouTube for years now. I've made hundreds of videos, and this video today will be the first video where I have covered the same topic twice. And the reason why I'm doing this is because this topic is so important. We're going to be talking about business analysis. Now, I made a video on this about 2 years ago, and the reason why I'm covering it again is because this is one of those skills that you can learn that will be so important in improving your career. Let's start with the main idea. What is business analysis? Well, if you work in business, you can break down everything that you do in your job into three main areas: process, reports, and analysis. Process is the basic business activity, like making a purchase or closing a sale. Reports summarize the data from your business processes into reports. Analysis evaluates the data in the reports to provide insight. You're taking your data and turning it into useful, actionable information. Each of these areas builds on the next area. So you need processes to create reports. You need reports to perform analysis. You can also think of this in terms of increased complexity. So as you move up this spectrum towards business analysis, you are performing higher level activities. Why should you care about this? Analysis creates the most value for your business. Think about it. If you have a business where everyone is only focusing on process, you have no idea what is going on. You have no reports, no analysis. It's impossible to make good decisions. You need to take your processes and turn them into reports, and then take the reports and figure out what the reports mean. If you can learn how to provide business analysis consistently, you will be a rock star in whatever business you're in. Business analysis gives your leaders time. Time is the most valuable thing in business. If you're running a company, you have so many things going on and there's never enough time. If staff just hands leadership reports, then they're going to have to spend time figuring out what the reports mean, and they're not even the person familiar with the data. It becomes time-consuming and frustrating. What you really want as a business leader is the bottom line. What does the report mean? Let's use some examples. Let's say the revenues from your business suddenly drop. Why? What happened? What is the cause? How can it be corrected? What if your expenses suddenly go up? What purchase caused the sudden increase in costs? Is it a one-time expense, or is it likely to continue? In business, it's not good enough to just create a report. You also need to figure out what that report means and then be able to communicate it to your team and your leadership. What are the practical steps you can do to perform business analysis? I'm going to make this very easy for you. Whenever you email a report to anyone in your business, always include in your email 3 bullet points explaining what that report means. What are the 3 biggest takeaways the reader should know about the report? Now, you don't need to list 10 things. You don't need to list everything in the report, just the top 3. I can't tell you how many times I see people send out reports with no explanation at all. These days, a lot of reports are automated on a dashboard and no one's even looking at them. Someone needs to look at the report and provide analysis on what it means so that your leadership can make the right decisions. As you grow in your career, you want to become that person who sends out those 3 bullet points in your email because it creates so much value for your business. So don't just be the person who does the process. Don't just create the reports. Figure out what it all means and then communicate that to your team. Now I want to hear from you. If you think that business analysis is important in your business, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm Zach from Wolves in Finance. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go out and make some money.